when I went to see my dad, because my dad was schizophrenic.
Is he not anymore?
No.
Or is he? What is it? Why was he's cured?
Yeah, they cured.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't forgive my ignorance. I didn't know you could cure schizophrenia.
Oh well, that's the thing of the universe. Like humans can treat it, but the universe can cure it. God can cure it.
Is that what happened?
Yeah.
Tell me everything.
He died. That's the internet clip. Chop it up.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing.
Scientists just reverse-engineered the formula for Roman concrete, and it is way better than the modern stuff. While today's concrete can degrade in as little as 50 years, plenty of Roman structures that were built thousands of years ago are still going strong. A few years ago, we learned that mixing concrete with seawater instead of fresh water was part of the Roman secret. But a 2023 study found that wasn't the only trick up their sleeves. They had sleeves, which they didn't because they had togas. The Roman concrete recipe calls for a mineral called quicklime. When mixed with seawater, quicklime produces a hot chemical reaction and leaves chunks of undissolved lime throughout the mixture. This produces concrete that can repair itself. When it cracks, rainwater leaks in and hits those lime chunks, which reactivates the cement and fills the gaps as they form. In 2021, cement production accounted for 8% of greenhouse gas emissions, so a self-healing concrete could help us cut emissions by eliminating the need to repave stuff all the time.
I usually just sit in the car. Oh! That's like, it's okay. Oh my god. God damn it! No! It's okay! Ceiling repair!
The police arrested me for trespassing and they locked me in a cell for 30 days. I drank a month's worth of coffee in a day.
He told me he drank 40 days worth of instant coffee. He's been saving up the whole time he was in jail. Seems pretty hyper.
Hey, can I have some? Hey, can I have a soup?
Try to sleep it off.
One shot. All I need is one shot of coffee.
How you feeling?
Or, I'm just gonna stay away from the Colombian horse. I can't handle coffee.
Apparently not.
Okay, I can handle the crystal meth.
Stop drinking the coffee, stop the meth. Stay out of jail.
I don't know what the coffee's done. I do my coffee and I'm cracking.
Anyone would think he's high on some illegal drugs, but I confirmed it. He was in the Henderson jail. He really is just high on coffee.
Alright, lads. How much today?
You know you're everything to me, and I could never see the two.
I cannot believe these boots. Let's see what my husband thinks of them.
Christy, where are you going with those? Girl, you look like the monkey off of Dora the Explorer. I'm about to fire you up! Christy.